Multiply and write scientific notation for the result. 2 4/10 times 10 to the 5th times 5 4/10 times 10 to the 16th. So when we multiply two numbers in scientific notation, we multiply the numbers that are between 1 and 10. In other words, 2.4 times 5.4, and then multiply that times the power of 10s. Now the power of 10s, when we multiply those, we add the exponents, so 10 to the 5 plus 16. Multiplying these numbers together, we get 12.96 times 10 to the 21st. Well, of course, we need to write the number in scientific notation. 12.96 becomes 1.296 times 10 to the first power, then multiplied by 10 to the 21st. So now, when we multiply the 10 to the first times 10 to the 21st, we add those powers, so our final answer would be 1.296 times 10 to the 22nd power.